Welcome to CalGEM's training series on how to use the HPZ Web Map application. This video will cover how to use the query, filter, select data, and table functions available in the HPZ Web Map. Let's first begin by going over the query widget. First, select Query. It is the icon that looks like a gray page with a magnifying glass. Query allows users to return local results in response to a pin dropped on the map. As shown, users have the option to choose whether they want their desired shape to stay on the map after the query has been applied. Users can also control the search distance in which results will be returned. Query creates a temporary layer that is going to show up in the layer list. Users have the ability to rename this layer to indicate queried data. Now, let's click the point icon and select a point of interest on the map. If the point is not in an optimal location, click the red trash icon to reset and repeat the process again. When ready, click Apply and the results will load. As shown, these results display information on any wells, regardless of status, within the designated search distance from the selected point. It returns information such as HPZ status, well type, and API. To collapse the list of displayed features, click here. Users can also export their results as a variety of file types by going to the menu here and clicking on one of the download options. To view query result in the attribute table, select View in Attribute Table. Now let's explore the filter tool located to the right of the query widget. Clicking it, users can filter map results within various layers. Use the following drop-downs to further hone results. To deselect all checked boxes, select the checkmark trash icon to the lower right. Once the user's selection is ready to go, toggle on the layer in which to view filtered results. Next is the Select tool. This feature allows users to select specific map components. To do so, first checkmark the layer in which components will be batch selected. Now, there are two modes of selection to choose from. If the area in which the user is attempting to select is an organic shape, use the Select by Polygon option and click the map to create points in the polygon. Double-click when complete. To clear selection, click Clear in the upper right-hand corner. If less specificity is required, use the Select by Rectangle option to draw a rectangle around the points the user wants to select. When selecting, hold down on the cursor and release the area that has been covered by the rectangle. Finally, users have the option to measure spatial extent. The first and furthest left option allows users to measure the area of a specified polygon. Click the map view to select the points of a designated polygon. The measurement will show the area in chosen units. Next is the distance measurement. Select 2 points on the map to see the distance between them. Last is the location measurement. Select a point on the map to see the latitude and longitude coordinates listed. The final feature in this tutorial is the attribute table, which can be found by clicking the arrow located at the bottom of the map. From here, users can look at all the data being stored in the web map. Select a desired tab to peruse the data within the given layer. To locate a table entry on the map, simply double-click the desired row and adjust the zoom. Users can also filter and export attribute table data. Thank you for watching this video. The next video in this series will cover how to export, add, and view data in CalGEM's HPZ Web Map application.